Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I am so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is today. Ready? Look, what's the weather like today? I see the sun. It's a sunny day. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Excellent. Let's pick out a weather picture. Which picture shows a sunny day? If you chose this picture, I agree. This picture shows a sunny day. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Okay, let's read today's sentence together. Ready? The weather is sunny. Great work. Let's read it one more time. The weather is sunny. Perfect. Okay, it's time to sing our sunny day song. Ready? Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny today. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is sunny today. Great work, friends. Okay, let's get Perry the polar bear dressed for a sunny day. Remember, it's also winter time, so that means it's cold outside. We need to get Perry dressed for a cold, sunny day. Let's start with Perry's top. Which top should Perry wear on a cold, sunny day? Should he wear a long sleeve shirt or a short sleeve shirt? If you chose the long sleeve shirt, I agree. When it's cold outside, I wear long sleeves to keep me warm. Let's put the long sleeve shirt on Perry. What color is his shirt? He has a green shirt on. Okay, now he needs bottoms. Which bottoms can he wear on a cold, sunny day? Should he wear shorts or long pants? If you chose the long pants, I agree. Let's put the long pants on Perry. What color are Perry's pants? They are blue. If you said blue, you are correct. Now, Perry needs shoes to keep his feet warm and protected when he goes outside. His shoes are going to be the same color as his pants. What color will his shoes be? If you said blue, you are correct. Perry chose his blue shoes today. There we go. Perry the polar bear is all dressed for the cold, sunny day. Thank you so much for helping get Perry the polar bear dressed. Now, it's time to introduce our letter of the week. We'll start with the sound our letter makes. Listen, put your listening ears on. Good. Our letter of the week makes the B sound. Can you say that with me? B. Excellent. When we want to write the B sound, we have to use a special letter. We use the letter B. Can you say B? Perfect. The letter B makes the B sound. Let's say that sentence together. The letter B makes the B sound. Great work. Okay, let's put our uppercase B and our lowercase b on the board, and we'll talk about how they look. This is our uppercase B. It has a straight line down. We can call it a vertical line. And then it has a curve at the top and a curve at the bottom. Our lowercase b is a tall letter, just like our uppercase B. It has a straight line down, but there's only a curve at the bottom. There's not one at the top, and that's what makes them different. Let's talk about something that starts with the letter B. That means it starts with the B sound. Are you ready to see what it is? What's something that starts with the letter B? Ball. Ball starts with the letter B. I know that ball starts with the letter B because I hear the B sound at the beginning. Listen, ball. Did you hear it? Fantastic. Okay, friends, now it's time to read our word of the day. Let's see what letters are in today's word. Ready? I see the letter H, the letter I, and the letter T. Let's talk about the sound that each letter makes. What sound does the letter H make? The letter H makes the H sound. What about the letter I? What sound does it make? It makes the I sound. What sound does the letter T make? The letter T makes the T sound. Okay, let's put those sounds together. Ready? I, T. It. It. Hit. Hit. Do you know what our word of the day is? Hit. Hit. Our word of the day is hit. Like you can hit a baseball. Do you like to play baseball? I love playing baseball. We can hit a baseball with a baseball bat. Were you able to figure out today's word? Fantastic. If you had trouble, it's okay. We practice every day because the more we practice, the better we get. Okay, now it's time to move on to our number of the week. This week, we're not learning a new number. We're going to review some numbers we've already learned. I'm going to show you one of the numbers we've learned. Let's see if you remember what it is. Do you remember what this number is? It's the number 7. Can you say 7? Excellent. Okay, let's put the number 7 on the board. We know that this is a number 7 because it has a straight line at the top and then it has another line coming down at a diagonal. That makes the number 7. Since our number we're reviewing is 7, we're going to put 7 stars in the sky. Can you help me count 7 stars? Excellent. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I heard the number 7. That means we need to stop counting. Let's count one more time, just to be sure we have 7 stars. I like to use my magic finger and point as I count. It helps me keep track of the stars I've already counted. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do have 7 stars in the sky. Thank you so much for helping. Okay, now we're going to do a number activity. This activity will help us review some other numbers we've learned. I'm going to show you a picture of lots of objects. We have to count how many objects there are. and then choose the right number to go along with it. Let's take a look at our first group of objects. Oh, I see bears. Hey, bears starts with the B sound. That means bears starts with the letter B. Can you help me count how many bears there are? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What was the last number we said? 6. Which number is the number 6? If you chose this number, you are correct. Great work, friends. You helped me count the 6 bears, and then we circled the number 6. Great job. Let's take a look at another set of objects. Ooh, I see balloons. Hey, balloons starts with the B sound. That means it starts with the letter B. Let's see how many balloons we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was the last number we said? 10. Can you help me find the number 10? Use your magic finger. Which one is the number 10? If you chose this one, you are correct. Excellent job, friends. You helped me count 10 balloons and find the number 10. Okay, let's take a look at one more picture. I see balls. Hey, balls starts with the letter B because we hear the B sound at the beginning. How many balls do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last number we said was 8. That means there are 8 balls. Which number is the number 8? If you chose this one, you are correct. Great work, friends. You helped me count the 8 balls and find the number 8. Excellent work. Okay, now it's time to move on to our sight word of the week. Remember, sight words are words that you have to look at and know because we can't sound them out like we sound out our word of the day. This week's sight word is the word my. Can you say that? My. Good. The word my is spelled M-Y. M-Y spells my. Let's clap our sight word. Ready? My. M-Y. My. Good. Let's try it one more time. My. M-Y. My. Perfect. This week we are going to practice reading our sight word my. But for now, it's time to move on to our shape of the week. We are learning about 3D shapes. That means our shape has length, it has width, and it has height. Let's take a look at today's shape, or this week's shape. It's a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Great. This is what a cylinder looks like. It looks like there's a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom, and then there's something that goes all the way around. If you would stretch it out, it would look like a rectangle, but it connects the top and the bottom. I have something that's a cylinder to show you today. Are you ready to see what it is? Perfect. Let me put our picture of a cylinder on the board. And here it is. This is a cylinder. It's a container of salt. There's a circle at the top, and there's a circle at the bottom, and there's a big rectangle that wraps all the way around to connect the top circle with the bottom circle. It makes a cylinder. This week, we're going to learn all about cylinders. We're going to look at cylinders and talk about them. But for now, that's it for circle time. Great work today, friends. We learned so many new things. We learned the new letter B and the sound it makes, the B sound. We reviewed our number. We read our word of the day. We talked about our sight word. And we learned a new shape, a cylinder. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you join me again tomorrow for circle time so we can learn a lot more things. I'll see you then. Bye. Hi everyone. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos just like this one from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.